Hello everyone and welcome back to another reaction video. Today we are checking out Spice and Wolf endings. We have two endings to check out. I already checked the openings, so go check that one out. Yeah, the same drill. I'm going to cover up the video in description below, link to both of the endings so you can sync it up with me. There will be a need for it. But if you want to see the full experience, uncovered, unmuted version, you can find it on my Patreon in the description below. So yeah, the openings, both of the openings were very calm. I like the first opening much more. So let's see what are the endings like. I don't know how they sound like. So yeah, without further ado, let's go. Oh, Spice and Wolf, okay.
7 up on a witch's tree, with 7 seeds to plant inside of me. In springtime I grew a magic song, then skipping along I sang the song to everyone. I look at the world through upper eyes.
What?
And cut myself a slice of sunshine pie.
Wait, it's in English?
I dance with the peanuts butterflies. Till time went and told me to say hello and wave a goodbye. Sounds sugar stars. Oh, put them in a jar. And then whistle
I'm not sure.
oh, whistle around the world. I'm a little ooh inside the car. You say I'm off, I go from June to May. Oh, whistle around the world. Let's whistle around the world.
Yeah, I have no idea. I don't know if it was more of... I had a feeling of a children's song. Okay, this one sounds more like a ending, proper one. Wait, can she turn into a full-fledged wolf? I mean, if the show wasn't called Spice and Wolf, I would say she looks more of a fox. Because she's orange, right? What is that? Okay. I mean, the second ending was definitely more like what I was expecting, right? I'm still not sure what was the first ending about. I saw a lot of, like, I guess the Adam and Eve associations, maybe? I don't know. They had apple and the tree. So what else can I think of it? I don't know. I don't know who sang that. Like, if it was a young girl or a adult woman. I'm not sure. But the whole feel of the first ending was more like a childish feel to it. I don't know. And even like some of the words she was saying was like they were in English, I believe, right? But I'm not sure if that it was for the whole song because I couldn't understand most of it. So I'm a little in a blind here. Let's say that. yeah, I would say out of all 4 songs from the Spice and Wolf that I've listened to now, I would say that the first opening like takes the first place for me. Others don't get close to it, so yeah, let me know if you have any other information about it, especially the ending, like what was this first ending about. Yeah, put it in the comments below if you can. But yeah, yeah, it's added on the list, so if it's a high demand, maybe I'll check it out. It looks like some fun, casual, like watch, I guess, right? Having characters building up relationship, romance going on, a little adventure as well, so it could be very fun. Yeah, with that said, I will end this reaction here. Thank you for checking it out. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Click that bell for notifications so be informed of my next reactions, gameplays, reviews, and other things that you put in the comments below for me to check out. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! And now a special thank you to Fear Machine for additional support on my Patreon.